how to find who can see your stories settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your stories settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click posts, and here you will find it who can see your stories, and you can manage it. You can make it for everyone or custom, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.